guys, I recently posted a DIY French manicure video and so many of you said how helpful it was to be able to do your nails at home. So in today's video, I want to share with you an alternate method that is so easy. And you guys, this is going to last you for 2 weeks, even as a busy mom. I got together with my friends Jess and Shauna, and trust me, we are far from professionals. Oh my gosh, I just dropped my phone. Okay, so clearly I butterfingered.
I painted every nail first. I cannot follow instructions.
It still looks good though, it still works. After some trial and error, we've got all the best tips and tricks for doing SNS nails at home. SNS is basically a gel and a powder that you're going to put on top of your nail. It's almost like having an acrylic nail on top of your natural nail, but it doesn't ruin it underneath and it lasts for a really long time. Everything you need to do this manicure could be found on Amazon. You don't have to be brand loyal, and your basic packages are going to come with 4 different nail polishes, and then you'll choose your powder color. You're gonna spend about 30 to 40 bucks up front, but that's the cost of 1 visit to the salon, and this is gonna last for at least 50 manicures. Once you get good at this, you can do the entire process in about 15 minutes. Step 1 is your bonder/dehydrator, and this is just basically gonna dry out your nails and make them look pretty gross. You do not have to apply this carefully. Step 2 is your base polish, and you're going to work 1 nail at a time. You want to apply this evenly and carefully in a very thin coat. As soon as you're done with application, dip your nail into the powder at a 45-degree angle and remove it. Repeat that step for all of your nails.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't.
This dries very quickly, and then take just a dollar store brush to wipe away any excess.
I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my.
If it didn't come out perfect, it's a little lumpy, or even you miss spots, no worries. You're gonna repeat the same process again. Paint another thin layer, dip at a 45-degree angle. I would recommend doing this between 2 and 3 times until you get your desired thickness and coverage. Now your hands are not going to look great. This is where you want to file the nail down. File on top of the nail, get everything even. It's gonna look like it's discoloring what you've just put on. Doesn't matter, go for it and file it down so it looks super even. If you're like me and you just cannot paint to save your life, you're gonna get some on your skin. No worries, you can file it right off of your skin. And even if it doesn't come off right away, that will come off. You know what I mean? Like in the shower, how like you miss a spot on your nails and then it looks better after you shower because it comes off your skin. It's like, ooh, I can actually paint. Same thing will happen with this. Now for step 3, which is gonna prime your nail for the gel overcoat. Do a quick coat on each of your nails, then wash your hands, and then do another quick coat again. This doesn't have to be super even or perfect. Finally, step 4 is your top coat. You can do 1 or 2 thin layers of this, and this is gonna give it that beautiful shine. And I love how you can do it from home and actually get it to last a long time. It has been over a week, and look at this manicure. It's like, can you see this? It's perfect. I cannot believe how well this has stayed. And if you got together and did this with your friends, you save so much money. Each person can choose a different color. I think it's really cathartic and fun just to sit there and paint your nails and not have to spend a lot of money to do it. So this is Jess's 3rd time, and it looks so good.
My thumb looks amazing.
Yeah, I have like 3 nails that are perfect, and I think now that I know what I'm doing.
And that's what happened my first time. I had a couple nails that were like, why did that one not turn out? But
yeah,
the second time I did it, it went a lot smoother. So
see, that one looks pretty good.
If you enjoy money-saving videos, definitely leave this a thumbs up, or leave your comments down below about your favorite type of manicure to do at home, or if you've tried SNS nails and any tips that you have. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. I have to do the nail shot. So here. You like them?
I do again.
You do it again?